Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will walk you through a feature in Logic ERP that allows the redemption of customer loyalty points directly within a Sale Challan. To enable it, open Logic Admin and go to the Global Settings section. Within this section, navigate to POS Options One. Here, you will find a checkbox labeled Allow Points Redemption in Sale Challan. Simply tick this checkbox to activate the feature. Once done, make sure to save the settings and restart the software. After the system restarts, open the Sale Challan touchscreen window and initiate a new transaction. The system displays that the respective customer has earned 120 loyalty points. When you proceed to save the voucher, a redemption window will automatically pop up, allowing you to redeem the customer's available loyalty points against the challan.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.